Have you learned kanji? Do you know there are 4 types of kanji characters in the Japanese language? If you understand these types, it will be much easier for you to learn kanji. Let's find out! あすか先生の日本語道場こんにちは、あすか先生です。Hi, I'm Asuka Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about kanji types. There are mainly 4 kanji types in Japan. And if you understand these types, your kanji learning will be more efficient. Let me explain one by one. First one is shokemoji, kanji characters which copy the shape of things. Shokemoji are kanji characters like drawing. For example, the kanji character means the mountain is like this, yama. And this shape comes from the form of mountains and change like this. This type of kanji is the oldest kanji characters. And the next one is shijimoji, kanji characters which demonstrate the concept. For example, the kanji character means up or above is this. This shape represents something on top of the flat ground. The kanji character means down or below is this. As you can guess, this shape represents something underneath. Kaimoji is kanji characters which use several kanji characters and combine the meaning. For example, the character means chirping is this. This character combines 2 kanji, mouse and bird. So, as you can guess, the meaning of this kanji is a bird using mouse and chirping. The last one is keisei-moji. Keisei-moji is kanji characters which have 2 parts. One part shows the meaning and one part shows the sound. For example, this character means elder sister. The left side is onna. It is a radical, means woman. So this part shows the meaning of this kanji. The right side is this kanji. It's pronounced as shi. So this part shows the pronunciation shi. This kanji character means elder sister has 2 pronunciations, ane and shi. But the pronunciation part in keisei-moji, this one, shows on reading. If you know keisei-moji, it's helpful to read kanji characters. For example, these kanji characters have different meanings, but the same on reading, han, as they have the same kanji, han, to show the reading. Keisei-moji is the largest group of kanji characters. Today we've learned 4 types of kanji characters: shokemoji, shijimoji, kaimoji, and keisei-moji. Now you understand these groups, so now it's easy to learn kanji characters and grasp their meaning quickly. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like this video. Do you know someone who might be interested in this video? Please share. If you're interested in learning authentic Japanese, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell mark. You can get a notification when I upload a new tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you soon. さよなら。またね。